So if you're wondering why we just had a couch delivered to us, it was a small little tear that was starting to happen right here. And usually small tears usually always end up being big tears. So we reached out to Grand Design. It wasn't covered under warranty, but out of goodwill, they went ahead and sent us a replacement. So thank you, Grand Design. And now we're gonna go outside and figure out this whole box and what is all in there. Honestly, it's a small box, so I don't think it's 2 pieces. I think it's just the one chair. I honestly don't even know, but we're gonna go try to take this cage box apart and get this new chair slash couch in here. Okay, so I was not expecting this package to come today. I actually thought it was coming tomorrow, but here we have a replacement to our couch. So I was out for a little bike ride and got a phone call that the tractor trailer driver was waiting for me because he didn't have a site to deliver to. So he just, I met him up at the front gate. I backed up to the back of the trailer, and he just took the forklift and dropped it onto the bed of the truck, said sign this, and headed out. So we weren't prepared for this today. I don't know if it's just one piece of the couch, a whole new couch. I don't know what is in here. I just wasn't prepared for this today. So happy Vlogmas Day, whatever this is, whenever it gets posted. But I'm gonna try to unbox it just to see what's in here, and I guess then we'll just go from there. Were you expecting this? Are you ready for this?
No, I don't know what we're gonna do. But we're either gonna have 2 couches in the living room or sitting on the couch outside. I don't know. I don't know what to do. The place is already a mess. Now this is gonna make it even worse. But we'll figure it out. It's the holiday season.
It's all part of the journey, right?
Yep, we'll figure it out.
So let's start figuring it out. Okay, this packaging is no joke, man. I mean, this thing is in here. I literally got to take this little crate apart just screw by screw. Great packaging, I'll tell you that. Not fun to get out though. Just have to use all this wood to make a shelf or something with this now. Now I feel like I'm like Carpenter Bob over here. Just the one piece that we showed you earlier that was had a rip in it, and Grand Design went ahead and sent us a replacement. So we'll just get it inside and then go from there. Maybe we'll just have an extra couch for a day or 5.
Only one piece.
Only one extra
so
piece.
Half of a couch.
Yes, it's a half of a couch.
It's all good. We are very appreciative for them sending us a brand new replacement for the little rip that we have. We do love our couches and we utilize it a lot. So.
All right, that couch came in very easily, but we just have it in the corner right now because we have plans of doing other things today. Like I said, wasn't expecting this, so just sitting there for right now. But that became an unexpected Vlogmas Day 7. So this is Vlogmas Day 7 now. Wasn't going to be, but it is now. And that's just the RV life. Things pop up, things happen, you're not expecting it. You just go with the flow. You create your own detour. And that's what we do. That's what we're all about here. Now, the main question is, do we keep the 2-seater or do we go 3-seater? I mean, we have a little bit of room here. Amanda wants a new table anyway. If you haven't watched that video, I'll link that above here and down below in the description so you can see that. She wants a new table anyway. Maybe we just go with a 3-seat couch. I mean, it'd be a little weird with having an arm here, but I don't know. Maybe we do. Maybe we don't. Who knows? But you will have to stick around to find out. It's the only way you're going to know. So that is it for Vlogmas Day 7. There was no intro to this video because I wasn't expecting this to happen. But go ahead, hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and come back tomorrow for Day 8 of Vlogmas, because here's a hint. We weren't expecting this because we're going to Disney Springs today. So come back tomorrow, check out all the cool trees from Disney Springs. That's it, Day 7. See you on the next one.